Earnings season is when option premiums explode and then collapse right after the announcement. That collapse is called volatility crush, and if you don't plan for it, your option strategy can backfire. In this video, we'll walk through how to structure earnings trades using historical IV data, so you can play smarter during one of the most exciting times of the quarter. What is volatility crush? Volatility crush or volume crush happens when implied volatility spikes before earnings and then falls immediately after the results are released. Before earnings, traders bid up options, expecting a big move. After earnings, uncertainty is gone, so IV collapses and option prices deflate. This means even if you're right on direction, you can still lose if you don't account for IV changes. Why historical IV matters? So how do you prepare? Look at historical implied volatility around past earnings. Check how high IV usually runs before earnings. See how much it drops after the event. Compare expected moves priced into options versus actual historical moves in the stock. This gives you context. If the market is pricing in a 10% move, but the stock usually only moves 5%, selling premium might make sense. If the opposite is true, buying options could be justified. Strategies for volume crush. Once you understand the historical IV pattern, you can pick the right structure. Selling premium, volume crush play. Iron condors, straddles, or strangles. You're betting the actual move will be smaller than what's priced in. Best when IV is extremely elevated compared to history. Buying premium, directional play. Long calls or puts, debit spreads. You're betting on a big surprise that exceeds expectations. Best when options are cheap relative to past moves. Neutral, range-bound play. Calendars or broken wing butterflies. You benefit if the stock lands within a tight range post-earnings, while still taking advantage of IV behavior. The risk management angle. Earnings are unpredictable, so risk management is everything. Size small? Treat these as speculative plays, not core positions. Define risk upfront with spreads instead of naked options. Know your exit. Sometimes the best trade is to close right before earnings, capturing inflated IV without the event risk. Remember, earnings trades are less about being right on the company and more about being right on what the market priced in. To recap, vol crush is the collapse of implied volatility after earnings. Historical IV data helps you judge whether options are overpriced or underpriced. Use the right structures. Premium selling when IV is rich, premium buying when IV is cheap, or neutral setups when you expect muted moves. The edge comes not from predicting the headlines, but from understanding how volatility behaves. Thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe for more playbooks, and drop a comment. What's your go-to strategy for earnings season?